Hey, good morning, everybody. So, a lot of you have had questions as to, okay, Bill, well, how do you start your day? So, I figured the best thing for me to do is to kind of show you. So, what I did this morning, being Monday, January 22nd, is I marked out the pre-level high. So, you could see the market was coming up here, reject down, start to come up, reject down, start to come up, reject down. Where was it rejecting to? Right here about this level. Came up, touch, bounce, moved up. So today, when the market opened, I decided that you could get long over 484.44 once you broke the pre-market high with some strength, which we did. Look down here and volume is going up. But I typically don't like to play the breakouts in the first 5 minutes. I like to wait and see where the market's going to settle. So what I did instead was I waited for some of the consolidation to happen. We're on a 1 minute candle. We came down, wicked, pushed up hard. Came down, wicked, push up hard. Another time and another time. So what you're getting is you're now getting a reversal with significant buyers pushing this up. So the bears are trying to pull it down and the bulls are pushing it up. So I got in on a trade on this green candle. We were above VWAP. We were above the longer term 21 EMA, and I wrote it up to above the 9. Now, I did not stay in the entire trade. I liked when I was already up 30%, and I trimmed once I started to get up in this range in here. Right? And why would I want to trim when I'm somewhere up in this range? Because this is where we rejected in the past, right? So if you're getting in down here, once again, you're breaking above the pre-market high, you're riding it up, there's going to be concern here when all these people who went into calls and it pushed down, and then it pushed down again and again and again. So you got to be cognizant of always look left, and this is where you could exit a trade or you could trim. Now, I didn't go in heavy this morning because we are at all-time highs. So I'm not going to put a lot of capital at risk, but I put just enough at risk to make $750 within the first 30 minutes. Market opened at 6:30. I was in and out of my trade by 7 o'clock, and now I'm done for the day. So I don't like the market when it's at an all-time high because there's jitters and there's nervousness, right? But you can see this 484 held. So you could have rode it up, and then when you got to the high and you started to see the double wicking up here, push it up, exact same level. I mean, look at this. These candles are at the exact same high and it's rejecting. Well, you could have gone into puts, and where would you ride puts down to? This same level, the 484, which was previous resistance that then turned to support. Look, the candle supported it here. This candle supported that same level. Then it broke below. Once it broke below, you could have shorted it again all the way to 484.44, and then you could have gotten it back into a call trade and played the exact same play that we played right here. So the market moves in levels. And so you just want to be very patient and look for a level and see what is price doing. Well, price right now is starting to break this level. Well, when would I get short and what would I go short to? I would want to wait and see, because look at this wicking. I would want to wait until we start to break below 484.25 right here. Let's wait and see what it does before I would consider going short, possibly down to the pre-market lows. Now look, we wicked right here. Where did we wick? The exact same place. Guys, do not overcomplicate trading. And that's why so many people lose money at this. They overthink it, they get nervous, they get jittery. What did I do? I just did this with you. I drew some lines. What am I drawing lines at? Where the market reversed or where the market found support. So am I going to jump into calls? No, I'm not going to jump into calls right here. Why? Because I'm back to this pre-market high. So I hope this helps. A quick 5-minute video. We'll spend more time on Tuesday night in the masterclass. But when people tell you that trading is gambling, I just proved to you that it's about profitability, probability, and supply and demand. So Hope that helped, and I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll talk to you all soon.